Hi, I'm Charlotta and this video is about painting as meditation. Start off with taping down your paper with masking tape. For the painting that I'm making in this video, I'm using acrylic paint and I'm using 3 different colors: blue, red and white. Then I'm mixing different shades of these colors. When you get into the flow state of mind, remove all pressure of creating the perfect picture and just go along with the feeling. Try not to criticize yourself. There is no right or wrong. Relax, breathe deep, and empty your mind from any thoughts. Allow 20 minutes for this exercise. Whether your picture ends up in the frame or in the bin is irrelevant. What matters is the outcome of a peaceful, balanced mind.